Think your pet is drinking enough water? You might be surprised. The most overlooked mistake isn't forgetting the bowl. It's assuming the bowl alone solves hydration. Brought to you by Tail Talks Tips. Myth: if there's a water bowl out, my pet's covered. Reality: hydration is a behavior you design, not a chore you check off. Here's why it matters: temperature control, joint cushioning, digestion, brain function, kidney detox. Even mild dehydration can slow digestion, strain the heart, and quietly chip away at kidney health over time. Quick rule of thumb: most pets need about 1 ounce of water per pound of body weight per day. So what's the big mistake? Leaving a single bowl in a random corner and calling it a day. Hydration isn't just access, it's encouragement. Cleanliness, awareness, age, diet, activity, weather, health. One bowl does not equal proper hydration. Multiple clean stations, fresh water, small routines do. What does research tell us? Short bursts of activity can dehydrate dogs fast. Think a 15-minute warm weather fetch session. Cats are even sneakier. They rely more on moisture and food than on the urge to drink. How do you spot dehydration early? Dry nose or tacky gums, sunken eyes, slower skin snap back when you gently lift the scruff, lethargy, dark or reduced urine. If you notice these, act, especially with seniors or pets with kidney or heart issues. Why do owners miss it? Because pets often look fine until they're not. Common slip-ups: one bowl in a busy or awkward spot. Only dry food with no added moisture. Bowls that aren't cleaned daily. Assuming they'll drink when they need to. Not scaling water after play, heat, or long walks. Here's how I fix it. Simple, practical, repeatable. Set up multiple water stations, one per floor or high traffic area. Clean and refill daily. Biofilm and stale snacks turn pets off. Use a pet filter if your animal likes drinking water. Add moisture. Mix wet food or add a splash of warm water or low sodium broth to kibble. Track seniors and picky drinkers more closely. Consider wider bowls for whisker. On hot days or adventures, bring a collapsible bowl and fresh water. Plan for breaks. Make hydration effortless so it happens automatically. Small tweaks today can add up to a healthier heart, happier kidneys, and a more energetic pet tomorrow. This was brought to you by Tail Talks Tips, because healthy pets start with simple habits.